Could you love a bee that buzzed, tickled your ear, brought tiny legs up to lips, while amber honey dripped down your breast? And if he followed it there, carried it down to the place where you open like flowers, clear petals, if wings grew tongues, and he said you were enough, the very essence of you that he could live, grow in the sweet sugar of your hip, would you then turn and walk away? Say he is not a man with legs, speak of spiders or ants who would deny you both a place. What if these were not reasons, just something you said? For the hum had grown so sweet, you realized an ability to sting.